the Edifier TWS1 Pro 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the TWS1 Pro 2 by Edifier. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user manual, USB-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. Going over some specs, this has 6 hours of playtime and up to an additional 18 hours with the charging case. Features Bluetooth 5.3 and SBC codec. 10mm dynamic drivers. Fast charging, so 10 minutes will give you 1 hour of playtime. App integration. ANC, ambient, and low latency game mode. USB-C for charging, and it's IP54 dust and water resistant. It comes in 3 colors, black, white, and blue. Taking a look at the black version, the case is compact and it has a glossy finish to it. The top has the branding, and on the front, you'll find the status LED light. The back, you have the USB-C charge port. The lid has a nice snap to it when opening and closing, and the earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. Here is the white version, glossy finish as well, the logo on top, LED indicator on the front, and the charging port on the back. The earbuds have a small form factor. On the interface you can see the charging contacts, sensor, ear indicator, and microphone. The outer face has a glossy finish to it with the logo. You have the microphone along with the surface for the touch controls. Navigating the playback, calls, ANC, and ambient features is just a few taps to activate. Here they are side by side. As mentioned earlier, this has app integration. Once you're connected, you can see the battery levels, toggle the ANC, ambient, and low latency game mode, and you can also select from some soothing sounds, select EQ presets, reassign touch controls, and view the general settings. The charging case comes in at 35 grams, and the earbuds weigh in at 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Take me back to the nights we felt alive, picking up the pieces on a summer night. I didn't know that I would feel just like my heart's on fire whenever I'm with you. Cause we go back in time, the thrills I miss, and all the things I wish we did. All I know is that I need somebody like you. Cause I can't waste another night sitting here alone, hoping for.
Turn me up in the headphones. Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Yeah. Oh man, I got a lot of gold. Stack that bread and by my nose. Anything is possible. Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Hey. Oh man, I got a lot of gold. Stack that bread and by my.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Edifier TWS1 Pro 2 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They were fairly comfortable and seated well in my ears. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. And the touch controls doesn't require a lot of pressure to activate. Build-in quality is in line with what you would find in this price range. The case has a plastic feel to it with a glossy finish, and it can attract a lot of fingerprints if you go with the black color. Earbuds are a simple, ergonomic design and they're lightweight. Touch controls are responsive and easy to navigate. The earbuds don't protrude out as much either, and they sit pretty flush. I like that they have app integration along with the ANC and ambient sounds. The ANC blocked out the surroundings well when activated, and the ambient mode picked up the sounds loud and clear. The microphone was clear as well during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. Now when it comes to the sound, these didn't disappoint. The bass was present, it was punchy and tight, and it didn't overwhelm. Mids and highs were clean and clear. Vocals and instruments stand out. I would say it was a notch higher than the lows, so it would be a bit brighter. It was a pleasant listening experience as I tested it through various music genres. Overall, these are a solid pair coming in at a budget price point. It's packed with features that you would see on higher price competing models. These have tremendous value in my opinion. So that is my review of the Edifier TWS1 Pro 2 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.